See here, this is my Facebook page. If any user comment on your Facebook page, we can create for auto reply page. That is called Messenger. So thank you for contact us. We get back to you soon. And if you further details, please contact the my number and my website details. Then we can decide by where. That is called go to Facebook page settings. In the option call is the setting will be here. Option name is called messaging. The option call is called messaging. Just once open in this option, you can see here messaging. In the messaging, you can see these options. Message settings is complete for message settings. You can check one by one here, which is suitable for instant reply. Now, first of all, just you can scroll down here. Now, first option, use the return key to send messages on. Promote people to send message will be on. Next will be call here response assistant. Response assistant. Click for enable. The message will be here. Thanks for messaging us. We try to be responsive as possible. We will get back to you soon. Here, simple. You can add one option here. How many characters will be supported here? 250 characters. You can write this option here. For more details, contact. I can add my phone number. Now clear? For detail purpose, I am adding for phone number here. See. Just scroll down, paste it. Now here. Click for save. Next one. Stay responsive when you can't get your computer or phone. Stay responsive. So they stay with the your page where when you get at your computer or phone, you can call message. Will be like this. Something name. Thanks for messaging. We are not there right now, but we'll get back to you soon. Means my page, if anybody coming to my page, I'm not in online right now. You can get the message will be or else. For more details, contact my number. First option is instant reply. Second will be I'm not in online. They get the message will be delivered to who will come into my page. Third option that is called show messenger greeting. Nothing but if anyone coming to my page, automatically greeting will be displayed. Just click see here. So it's a name. Thanks for getting in touch with you and your messengers. Please send us any queries, questions you may have. Now click here. See here for more details. Contact this number. So always the manual option is there. Allow with add your my contact details. This is called enable for instant reply option. See this one. Response assistance. Send instant replies to anyone who message your page. If anyone sending message, hi, I'm looking for software, automatically message will be replied. Second option, stay responsive when you can't get your computer phone. This is option. Third option, show a messenger greeting. If anyone coming to my page, I getting the greetings. See here, three option different. First of all, if anyone sending for my page, will get the auto reply. Second one, my page is offline, getting reply. Third one is if anyone coming to my page, they get the automatically showing your welcome messages. Three will be click for on. So any user coming to your page, just here, copy this URL. I can open for another browser. The screen. How will be message will be showing to persons. Just here. Just now open here. Is open your page. See this one. What is here? Send message. Now here, the user come my page. Now click for. In this option will be send message. See. User click my option. What is called message? See. Hi. So and so name. Thanks for getting in touch with us on Messenger. Please send us any question or may have. For more details, contact number. Is it clear? This is for welcome message on your users. This is called we can enable for auto reply option on your Facebook page for user active purpose.